say start.
Okay, this is an unboxing video of the Valco Baby Neo twin. I've got two helpers. This is the back axle that comes unassembled so that it fits in this small box. Sorry, my children look homeless. They're home for the day because our teachers are on strike.
What is this?
That is one of the bumper bars. I'll put that right there for right now.
There it is, Mom.
That's a wheel.
What?
Hey, Maddie, will you help with the wheels? Okay, hold on. We're just gonna pull it out this way.
Here's the big stuff. Here's the stroller.
All right, move the box out of the way.
Cute.
Here's another bumper bar. Thank you, Maddie.
Here's the wheel.
12-year-old is gonna help us with the wheels. As you can see, it's all covered in plastic and pieces are covered in little cardboard.
Cardboard.
It's all wrapped up in this gigantic plastic bag. One thing I've noticed already is that it has a lock, which is really nice because when it comes time to fold it, it automatically locks. It's a little awkward.
Here is the...
That's a canopy.
Okay.
Look how
The other
pretty
wheel.
this fabric is.
Oh, that's beautiful. Wow. You should try that. Amazing.
All right,
Okay.
there it is. We're gonna put it together and I'll be back.